Oh, this is kind of cute. Blue and the red. I feel out of my element,
making our Christmas memories.
Hi babes, welcome back to another Follow Naomi days. Today is Sunday and I'm about to go do some Christmas shopping with Tashana. I'm not sure if it's actually gonna be just Christmas shopping. I know we're gonna look for some Christmas decorations, do some clothing shopping at Primark like we usually do. Not sure what else, but that's kind of the plan until now. I literally just got out of bed, jumped in the shower and got ready. No makeup today, only eyebrows. My hair doesn't look good, bad hair day, so put on a cap. We're in Primark. Say hi. We get some things so like just decorate.
Some tracksuits?
Yeah. Oh, this is kind of cute.
Over there have the candle.
Blue and the red?
Oh yeah.
Here.
I feel this is the right size.
Is that it?
Yes. Like the plate. Look how pretty. It's like pretty.
Yeah. How much?
$7.99.
For one?
That's like for a table of two.
Oh girl. So I'm home now. It's now 6 o'clock. I'm actually tired. I'm tired of just spending an entire day on the road. I think that I'm going to go film a video now. I'm not sure, but my hair doesn't look good, right? So I'm not so sure if I want to film a video now, but I feel like I kind of have to film a video because I don't want to be stressed out this week with having to upload. I mean, still having to film. Editing and uploading is really easy for me to do when I'm at school and I have like breaks and stuff, or I can just stay a little later at school and do that and also do some homework, you know. So the filming part of the whole Follow Naomi days part, that's a little stressful if I decide to not film today. So I think I'm gonna film anyway and then just film from like 7 to 10. So I'm sitting here and I just filmed a video and I feel out of my element. Like I have no idea what's wrong with me. I came home and my mood just wasn't the same. Like something's up and I don't know what, and I don't know what's going on. I feel like I'm a little too much in my head. I don't know. So I think I'm gonna just refilm the video again. I'm gonna watch the clips and I'm gonna refilm again, and then hopefully like I'll be good, you know. So 9 o'clock. I literally took like probably like 2 hours to do my makeup, and now it took like 14 hours. I mean 14 minutes to film this video because it's only the intro and the outro that I had to film. But I kind of feel like out of it. I don't know what's wrong with me. Oh, and tomorrow is the first day of school after my 1 week break. Super excited to start again. I don't know, I'm just maybe that's what it is, the idea of going back to school tomorrow. I don't know. I have no idea what's wrong. Today is Thursday and I actually put up my Christmas tree last night. I'm so happy with it, you guys have no idea. I mean, it's not as wow as I wanted it to be. I have like not even a month until I go back to Aruba for the Christmas vacation, so it doesn't really make sense for me to do super extra for Christmas this year. So I thought, you know what, I'm just gonna use everything that I used last year and just do it with that. So, you know, I have the same snow theme, but I'm really happy with it. I love the way that it turned out, and I'm actually still like in a really spacious place because I thought it was just going to be super packed, but I figured out how to like put a bunch of things like even behind my lights and stuff, so I still made it work and I'm really happy about it. So I'm quickly gonna show you guys me decorating the tree yesterday.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. While we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. With you.
That was perfect. I mean, I guess it's for luck, right? So yeah, that was it. I literally just put up, what movie was I watching? I was watching Almost Christmas, and I was just, you know, relaxing, listening to some music and just putting up the Christmas tree. It was a lot of fun. So today is Friday and it's already 3 o'clock right now. I think it's all, I think it's already 4. It is 4. It's 3:53. I actually woke up super early this morning and I was really happy about it because I woke up really refreshed and just energized. I was like, okay, let's do this. So I opened up my laptop. I started editing the video that I edited yesterday. I have to charge this. Really good. Okay. So I started editing my video that is gonna go up tonight, and that's done. It's uploaded. I took a quick nap. I was like, you know what, I cannot stand this. I want to sleep so bad. So I took like an hour nap, which was really good. So now I'm sitting down and I'm going to start editing, and then, I'm going to start filming, and then I have some errands that I want to run. I really need to go do some groceries because I don't have anything in the house. And I also have to figure out what I'm going to eat later, because I have no idea what I want. Like, I don't know yet like how my taste buds, you know, are working. So I just finished up on filming. I'm actually going to warm up some food because I am kind of hungry. So I'm really happy because I just took some pictures for Instagram and I actually liked them. I just took them with my phone though because my camera's dead. There's no battery in it. Now I am actually going to start cooking because I'm hungry and I still have so much to do. I still have to go to the shop. I still have to go to Action. I still have a lot to do. So let me go do that. So I am done filming for today. I had a pretty productive day if I do think about it. It's just that little nap that I took made it feel like the day was not as long as it's supposed to be, but it was still a long productive day, so I'm happy about that. I'm going to end the vlog because I feel like the vlog might be a little too long if I keep on vlogging the rest of the week. So I'm going to see you guys in next week's vlog. Just 2 more vlogs. Is it 2? I'm not sure. Wait, let me check this. Oh, not even 2. Okay, it might be 2 because I might just have 2 vlogs up next week. But if it's not 2, it's 1 vlog. So I have 1 more week of the college vlogs, and then Vlogmas starts, which I am super excited about. I'm just a little nervous because I don't know how I'm gonna vlog every day. And the uploading, that is the worst part, because in Aruba it will take me at least like 3 to 4 hours to upload 1 video. So that's gonna be a challenge, but I'm excited for it. I'm ready for it. Anyways, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this one. I'm tired, but I still have a lot to do, a lot of editing work, a lot of photo editing work. I still have to take a bunch of pictures. I have to do a lot. So I'm gonna end the vlog. As I already said, I know. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and click the bell down below to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I will see you next week. Bye.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making a Christmas memory.